Hi. In this video we will guide you through the process of configuring the task approval matrix. First, you need to enable the task approval feature in your system settings. Here's how. Navigate to the System Settings, then Setup and Configuration section. Within the Default Values tab, find the option to enable task approvals, and set it to Yes. Once you've enabled task approvals, head over to the Task Settings. You'll now see the Approval Center option available there. Open the Approval Center page and click on Add to start creating your custom approval process. Give your Approval Center a name, something descriptive. Now, let's define the conditions for approval. Specify the criteria based on task type or priority. For example, you might want different approval rules for urgent tasks versus routine ones. Decide who can be the approvers. It could be a normal user, or a collaborator, from the client portal. Specify the approver's name and provide a label. And if needed, add an approver order. Sometimes approvals need to happen in a specific sequence, example, team lead first, then manager. Once you've set up your approval center, it becomes your approval matrix. Any task created under the specified criteria, whether manually or through automation, will follow this matrix. The system will automatically route tasks to the right approvers based on your defined rules. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.